Good evening everyone, how's everyone doing? Oh, just finished my first job and I've got another little hour or so to spare before I go to my second job. So I'm in Chavasse Park and I'm going to try slim chickens. So I've never even heard of it, so I'm going to give it a go. So yeah, so as you can see, it's in Chavasse Park. Let's go and get some food. So that's what I've ordered anyway, and it's not cheap. Are you still there? Yes, I'm deciding whether I still want to buy it. So come, confirm your order. I think I need to take it easy with this food now. It's costing me a fortune. Nah, it's all good. I'd only be eating anyway, so why not? I'm just waiting for me food. Don't really know what to make about this place. I think it's a little bit steep that, but then again, not a surprise, you know, with the prices of the food these days. You're looking at least 20 quid, aren't you, to get some sort of scran. So yeah, I'm not going to moan about prices no more. yeah. So with the meal, you can get a bottomless drink, which is a good thing, isn't it? There we are. Guys, the machine. It's all zero. Where's the full fat Coke and lemonade and all that, and they Fanta? So unlimited drinks, I'm going to make use of that. With a bit of luck. Hopefully that's mine. I'm starving. So got my food, and to be honest, it looks alright, you know. Gonna have a look. Oh, I've got chicken burger with bacon and cheese on. That's going. Chips, I got honey barbecue sauce and 3 chicken tenders. But to be honest, them tenders are £5.45 and they're not that big, are they? The meal actually looks alright. We'll have a chip anyway. Chips are nice and crispy and hot. Looking to the burger now. So yeah, so honey barbecue sauce. You get there's a lot of varieties of sauces that you can pick. I was going to get the mayo gravy, but let's try this one. Very nice that sauce with the chips as well. Right, get a Tennessee. Not that big, but let's see what they taste like. Open the sauce. Nice chicken, like it's not greasy either. kind of tough. Oh. Well, the chicken tenders are sound, but you do it being a bit bigger.
So this one's 75.
Time to try the burger now. We'll take all the salad off and then we'll have a go. I'm gonna say, them chips are very tasty, you know. Nice and crispy. Take the potato inside as well. Right, so really goes with the burger. So, got rid of the salad. And do you know what, to be honest? The chicken burger could be a little bit bigger. Let's see what it tastes like going in. It looks the part. The bun is brioche bun. Got like a glaze over it. So you see that? That's a nice chicken burger. Wow. Chicken burger is a winner. Still be being a bit bigger though. So, I bet all that. Gonna finish my drink and then I'll let you know what I think about it. So, slim chickens, what have I got to say about that? Very, very, very nice. It's dead sleepy on the floor here. I'll moan about the price. It's dear, innit? To go out now to eat it, it's not cheap, is it? So I say I'm on my own here, nearly 20 quid. It's like everywhere. Got with a couple of years. TV's is nearly 60 quid for that. But still, do you know what? That was like a chicken place I've never tasted before. Takes the piss out of KFC, big time. Proper ingredients. The bacon, the cheese was lovely as well on it. The bacon was lovely on it. The chicken was dead fresh. They weren't greasy. The bun was lovely. The chips were dead crispy and fresh. The drinks, unlimited drinks. So I've just got another drink as I walked out. So I've got 3 drinks. So there you go. So there's about 7-8 quid's worth of drinks I just got. So what you're normally getting when you're normally getting one in it, you've got to save it. But yeah, the chicken tenders, dead nice. That honey barbecue sauce was absolutely lovely as well. For price is the portions were tiny, but as I say, quality of the food was absolutely unreal. So for like a fast takeaway, sit-in chicken place, yeah, I'm gonna score it an 8.5 out of 10. And the only reason it would have been a bit more, but because of the portions are a bit small. So highly recommended. Slim chickens in Chavasse Park or Liverpool 1, whatever you want to call it. So off to work now, take it easy, yeah. To that.